Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Decide your goal: microscopy, aquarium supplement, or biomass. I will grow green water algae in a 2 to 10 liter clear container at room temperature of 20 to 25 degrees C. Use a starter culture of green algae, 1 liter of non-chlorinated water, and a nutrient mix with 1 g nitrogen per 10 L. Sterilize the container with hot water and a weak bleach rinse, then rinse thoroughly. Provide continuous moderate light for 12 to 16 hours per day, with an LED at about 150 to 300 micromol M2S. Prepare by filling the container with 2 to 10 L of dechlorinated water and dissolve the nutrient mix completely. Inoculate with 10 to 50 ml of starter culture per liter, then gently aerate with a small pump or periodic shaking to keep cells suspended and oxygenated. Maintain pH near 7.5 and temperature between 20 degrees C and 25 degrees C to favor green algae growth. Check for contamination visually. Clear green turbidity indicates success. Filamentous or fuzzy growth suggests unwanted species, so discard and sterilize if contamination occurs. Monitor growth daily. Green water will turn uniformly green in 3 to 14 days, depending on inoculum and light. Thin the culture every 3 to 7 days by removing up to 30% volume and replacing with fresh nutrient water to prevent crowding and nutrient depletion. Harvest by gentle settling for 2 to 4 hours or low-speed centrifuge, then store biomass in a cool, dark place briefly. Practice safety. Avoid inhaling aerosols, label containers, and dispose of excess culture by treating with 10% bleach for 30 minutes before draining to avoid releasing live algae.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.